pepper tomato omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato omelette recipes. We're going to make black pepper tomato omelette. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the mix. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces while mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. Thoroughly mix. Put in the shallots. Mix in the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. The pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Pour in the milk mixture into the pan and spread it out. And let it cook. Flip the omelette over and let it fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Until it's nicely fried. Now turn it over once more. Now the black pepper tomato omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. As a final, Black Pepper Tomato Omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most different of the tomato omelette recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.